Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the last place and time you had the device. That narrows the search area immediately. Once done, enable location services and Bluetooth on your phone and sign into the device's companion app if it has one. Make sure you have a second phone or laptop handy to run scans and a flashlight for dark spots. You're acting now, not later. Start a Bluetooth scan and mark the perimeter of where you'll search so you don't retrace steps unnecessarily. You'll now focus on signal hunting and elimination. Use a Bluetooth scanner app to monitor RSSI. Watch for rising signal strength as you move. Make slow, measured sweeps along your perimeter and pause when the signal improves. This tells you direction. Once you detect stronger readings, crouch and scan at different heights. Bluetooth can reflect off surfaces. If the device is off, use saved last seen coordinates or battery reports in the companion app. And consider retrace. You're at the final sweep. Search common hiding places, cushions, pockets under furniture, where a device might be physically off. If the companion app shows a last seen map, move to that spot and scan again. Sometimes power cycling your phone helps the app refresh. Make noise prompts if the device supports them and inspect areas where it could be covered or shielded. If you don't find it, leave a short location notice, check with lost and found, and retry scans later when the device could be turned on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.